In this segment, we're going to review how to add and configure the select and assessments for plans in the ICD assessment section. So from the ICD and assessment section, you'll notice that there are two lines, one for assessment, one for plan, and there are a select and a config button associated with each. In the assessment line for each assessment, you can actually go and key in free text in the line provided, and this actually creates a space where the doctor or physician can put in an assessment or a plan. Once this free text information is placed in there, it actually is allocated to this specific encounter for this specific patient. If there are assessments and plans that you commonly will apply to multiple encounters with patients, what we can do is we'll simply remove these, click on the configuration button, and from the configuration in the assessment area we can create a category. So in the description we'll just go and create a category and click on save to commit, and then in that category we'll just go to add new, and from here we can key in assessment details in the description field. After we're done keying in the description field, we actually will go and select a category to store this assessment in from the category list, and we'll click on save to save it. If we simply close this window now, what we can do is, once the window is closed, we can go ahead and we can click on select from the assessment, and you'll see that we'll get a section list with a category and a detail. From here we select the details, we click on apply, and we can add it. That's now permanently stored and available for all encounters for patients. Similarly, we can do the same thing with the plan. We can go in and we can create a plan category, and then we can save it, and then we simply click on add new, and we can go in and we can create a plan by filling in the description in the description field, and then we can select a category from the drop down list, and we can put that plan into the category. Once we've done that, we click on saved, and now that plan is also available to be applied to any future encounters by simply clicking on select, selecting, click on apply, and applying it to the encounter. You'll notice that there is also space underneath where we can actually modify and customize with free text information as well. Remember that the free text information will only be carried to the present encounter and will not be added unless you go into the configuration section and modify it from there. Then we simply save the encounter, and we've now completed this portion.